We've always known the moon to be Earth's only natural satellite. But what if, by some cosmic coincidence, Mars became our moon instead? How would that change our relationship with our celestial neighbor? Firstly, let's consider how Mars would even end up as our moon. One possible scenario is a close encounter between Earth and Mars, where the gravitational pull of Earth would capture Mars as its new satellite. As for what would happen to our existing moon, it's likely that it would be flung off into space due to the gravitational disturbance caused by Mars. This would have some interesting consequences for Earth's tides and rotational stability, but that's a topic for another video. Now, let's take a look at what life would be like with Mars as our moon. For starters, it would be much closer to Earth than Mars currently is, meaning that we would have a much easier time studying and exploring it. NASA and other space agencies would likely send missions to the new Martian moon to study its geology, atmosphere, and potential for colonization. Speaking of colonization, having Mars as our moon would present a unique opportunity for human space exploration. The moon has always been seen as a stepping stone towards exploring other planets, but with Mars as our moon, we would have a direct path towards the red planet. It's possible that we could establish a base on the Martian moon as a launching point for missions to Mars itself. Of course, having Mars as our moon would also have some drawbacks. The gravitational pull of the Martian moon would affect Earth's tides and could potentially cause geological instability. It's also possible that the increased proximity of Mars could have an effect on Earth's climate and atmosphere, though the specifics of this are difficult to predict. But overall, the benefits of having Mars as our moon would likely outweigh the drawbacks. It would open up new avenues for space exploration and could even lead to the eventual colonization of Mars itself. Who knows, maybe one day we'll look up at the night sky and see not one, but two moons orbiting our planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more science and space content. And as always, keep looking up.